Between the holiday treats and Valentine's sweets, it's no wonder that February is Children's Dental Month. Dr. Chad Denman from Great Expressions Dental Centers is here to help your kids get excited about oral health. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm great. Great topic, because I'm getting to that stage where I'm always trying to remind the kids to brush their teeth. And I guess let's start there. Since many of our viewers have kids, when is a good time to introduce them to brushing, dental hygiene, and all that jazz?
Sure. You know, I feel that any time before age 2, the parents really should take a firm role in that.
Okay.
When they first start getting their first teeth, even before that, you should be wiping their gums with a washcloth.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
Because like a lot of the infants, they drink the milk, and there's just bacteria?
Well, that, and you don't want what they consume to always be there and getting stale, and all of that. So just keeping things clean and wiping it with a washcloth or using one of those finger brushes.
Okay.
And then, of course, when they start getting teeth, you want to incorporate the toothbrush.
And then what about bringing them to the dentist for the first time? When do you do that?
Yeah, I always recommend closer to 6 months to a year, depending on whether they have teeth or not. Most 6-month-year-olds, do not have teeth, but by that 1 year time, just getting them kind of used to the dentist, getting used to going through the exam, making sure that there's nothing pathological going on.
Okay.
That all the structures are forming correctly.
That's good. And then in terms of, there are different theories out there. Oh, give them sweets. They have baby teeth now. They're just going to fall out anyway. That's probably not something you should go by. What's your theory on that?
Dental teeth on a child's level are very important only because the adult teeth ride the roots of those teeth. So if we can keep those in their head as long as possible without any problems, no infections that could impact them for the rest of their life. So it's good to get things and catch it at a small level. And then after that, of course, getting in that 6-month routine with your kids. And
then what about the big question, the tooth fairy? How do we become the best tooth fairy for our kids? Yeah,
I know it's something that you've got to want to do. And if you have 2, 3, 4, 5 kids, it's something that you've got to be able to keep up with and obviously do it all the time. I've had some parents that do a silver dollar and make it really special. They save for the rest of their life. I have some parents that will sprinkle glitter from their window to their pillow.
That's fun.
Yeah,
so you can have fun with it.
You can, and it's also good to remind your kids about the reason why the tooth fairy is coming, and how to have the tooth fairy come back multiple times is to make sure to establish those good habits.
Good. All right, let's talk about the importance of parents doing these routine tooth exams or just teaching them about cleaning. And then in terms of tooth decay in general, what are some of the things we need to look out for as parents?
Yeah, sure. So, teeth are supposed to be, a whitish color. So if you
usually, yeah.
So if you do notice any, browning or stains or anything like that, definitely get that checked out. They shouldn't have any buildup that you can't get off with a toothbrush. So make sure that you're checking at the gum line. The gum should be really coral pink instead of red and irritated looking. And then just make sure that your child's drinking lots of water.
That's good to know too.
Because water is a good acid neutralizer, and it keeps the level in the mouth from tooth decay at a very low amount.
All right. Well, if any of you are looking for dentists that could put your child at ease, how can they get a hold of you folks?
Sure. We're at www.greatexpressions.com.
All right.
There's 6 locations here in Austin, from south to north, and yeah, just check us out.
Awesome.